Hi everyone. Hi students. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, hi everyone. Hi students. Welcome back to Geeks for Geeks. Yeah, I guess I'm live, and I guess that my screen is visible and the audio is also okay. Just quickly let me know if the audio is okay and if screen is visible. Then we'll start with today's class. Hi Naman. Hi G Mustafa. Hi Krish. I hope now video is coming. Yeah. So yeah, let's start. So yes, Naman. This time the Wizard coding tournament will be for classes 6 to classes 12. Okay. Um. Krish, you will be reached, like you will get everything like by the end of this week, or like things will get like sorted and you will get everything. Okay. Just have some patience. So yeah, guys, let's start with today's class. And as you guys know that we are going to have a Wizard coding tournament too, which will be on basically 26th of February. Okay, so we are basically preparing for that only, and we are covering all the problems that can occur. Basically, as you know that in the competition, in the tournament, we have three portions: two coding questions and one quiz, like 20 quiz questions. So these two coding questions are of 200 marks and 20 quizzes are of 100 marks. So these two coding questions are really important to score good marks. Yeah. So we are basically focusing on problem solving, and why I am doing with the help of this practice platform, because so that you guys can also come here and practice the problems. And if you guys like have any problem, if you're facing any problem in any particular problem, then what you can do is you can just give me the link of the problem in the comment section, or just write the name of the problem in the comment section and ask for help. I'll basically going to help you in that problem also, by like taking that topic, that particular problem first, and that will basically help you. So as you guys already know that we are going to have by Wizard coding tournament 2.0, which will happen on 26th of February, and the syllabus will be updated soon. Okay, and the classes will be this time, it will not be from 8 to 12. This time we will do it to uh, 6th to 12th, and this time the uh, awards are like this: first gaming laptop, second iPad Air, third Bose headphones, and fourth to 25th, all the top scorers from 4th rank to 25th rank will get tablets, and all the students from 26th rank to 100th rank will get smart bands. And not only this, the top 100 students will also get a letter of recommendation from CEO and free access to all our paid courses. Okay, and as you guys already know that for prepare for this, you can also refer to our school guide, as it is free of cost, and we have divided the syllabus into, like, with the like in class we have divided with the help of different classes. So first to fourth class के लिए we have computational thinking with scratch. Fifth to eighth class के लिए we have all these things, web labs, creating game lab, web lab, machine learning, real world apps in app lab. And for 9 to 12 we initially have C and Java for beginners, and we're also going to add few more topics in this. Okay, so yeah, it will be like we will be updating this over the period of time. For now, we have like kept this for free. Maybe in future we will like start like selling this course for some price. So I would request you all to please, जब तक ये free है तब तक जाके इसके लिए register कर लो, because once you will register, when it is free, तो later on भी आपको कभी इसके लिए कोई charges नहीं देने पड़ेंगे. But in future, if it will become chargeable, then you have to pay the fees to get this course. Okay, so please yes, Netik, you come on time. Okay, so please go and start this course. Go and register yourself for this course, and also register for the contest that is going to happen on 26th. हमने अपने रिवॉर्ड्स भी अपडेट किए हैं. दिस टाइम टॉप 100 स्टूडेंट्स विल गेट rewards plus letter of recommendation plus free access to the paid courses, and maybe the top students will also get a chance to become the स्कूल एम्बेसडर विद गीक्स फॉर गीक्स. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा गीक्स फॉर गीक्स के स्कूल चैनल पे कुछ वेबिनार्स होते हैं विद सम स्कूल एम्बेसडर्स, सो यू विल गेट अ चांस टू बिकम अ स्कूल एम्बेसडर ऑल्सो. Okay, now let's start with today's class. So हमने basically these 3 questions we have done in previous 2 classes. Now print 1 to n with loop. I will not explain this for now because इसमें we use recursion का concept. We use recursion का concept, and I know that you guys are not very well aware of recursion, so recursion हम अभी नहीं start करेंगे. What we are going to do is let's go on other questions and replace all zeros with fives. I have already done this question. ये question मैं जब last time for when I was preparing you guys for Bivizard coding tournament first, so at that time I already covered this question, so I'm not going to repeat. Whoever wants to see this, like how to approach this, just go and वॉच द वीडियोस, लाइक प्रीवियस वीडियोस. वहाँ पे काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस हम पहले कर चुके हैं, तो जो क्वेश्चंस पहले कर चुके हैं वो क्वेश्चंस हम फिर से नहीं करेंगे. ओके नैतिक, इफ यू वांट टू अर्न गीक बिट्स आई वुड से जस्ट गो इन दिस डिफिकल्टी सेक्शन. स्कूल की जगह आप बेसिकली इफ यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द बेसिक लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, इसमें आपको गीक बिट्स मिलेंगी. ठीक है, इसके अंदर सबके अंदर गीक बिट्स है. बेसिकली इफ यू विल गो इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी दिस इज फॉर 1 पॉइंट. सिमिलरली सारे क्वेश्चंस के लिए कुछ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ पॉइंट्स हैं. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ से उन पॉइंट्स को कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. बट अभी के लिए वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन स्कूल लेवल क्वेश्चंस rather than basic level questions, because once we will be done with school level question then we will move forward to basic level questions. Okay, now in today's class we are going to focus on this palindromic array and C++ function sum of numbers. So let's first go on this palindromic array and let's see what the question is all about, what is that they are asking, what is the problem statement, and how we can come up with a solution. Okay, so let me get my pen first. Yeah, so as you can see, like the default language is C++ over here. I'll just change it to Java. You can choose whatever you want and I will tell you the approach and then you can code it in any language. Now let's see the question first and then we will come for the solution. So if you will see the question, given an integer array, you have an array A. Okay, we have an array. Here you can see A is the array, this is the array, and your task is to complete the function palin array. So this is the function and we have to complete this, which will return 1 if all the elements of array are palindrome, otherwise 0. So इस function का काम क्या है? If each and every element inside an array is palindrome, तो वो 1 return करेगा, otherwise it will return 0. जी मुस्तफ़ा, आप कौन से लाइक लेवल के क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हो? सी अभी इफ़ यू विल लाइक सॉल्व स्कूल लेवल के क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस, इसलिए इनके 0 पॉइंट्स है. बट अगर आप बेसिक लेवल के करोगे एंड अगर आपके सारे टेस्ट केसेस पास होंगे तब आपको बेसिकली उसमें आपको सारे टेस्ट केसेस पास करने होंगे, तब आपको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. ओके Okay, Mohit is saying, ma'am, I got rank 21 in Bivizard school contest, but didn't get any mail regarding the verification or result. Mohit, please like have patience, because there were a lot of students who participated and there is a lot of things that is going on. So please have little patience and please come in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow like I will have a meeting and I will confirm each and every question. जो भी आपके डाउट हैं कि रिजल्ट्स कब लाइक सबके पास पहुंचेंगे एंड सबको कब मेल्स जाएंगे, all of that I will ask and I will convey that to you guys. Okay, so have little patience. In tomorrow's class I'll ask everything and I'll convey all of that to you. Okay guys, so yes, let's see the examples से समझते हैं. So here we have 2 inputs. सबसे पहले इनपुट में एरे का साइज 5 है एंड वी हैव दीज 5 एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो हमें ये सब इनपुट पे फोकस नहीं करना है, रादर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू चेक. बस हमें एरे मिल रहा है, हमें चेक करना है एरे में कि एरे हमारा पैलिंड्रोमिक है या नहीं. Now to check that if array is palindromic or not, we have to check each and every element. So what we are going to do is we are going to get we are going to iterate over this array. हम एक एक element निकालेंगे. So basically if this is my array, we have triple one, we have triple two, we have triple three, we have triple four, we have triple five. Okay, we have these elements in an array and they might be इनको index कर देती हूँ मैं 0 1 2 3 4. ये इनके indexing है. Okay, now we will iterate. So ARR of basically यहाँ ARR नहीं है, A of 0 क्या हो जाएगा हमारा ट्रिपल वन. तो हमको पहले ये चेक करना है if that this number is palindrome or not. Now you guys know how we can check if a number is palindrome or not. We basically reverse. Basically we can do like what we can do is we can reverse the number and then we can check if the two numbers are okay or not. Palindromic number क्या होता है? If you will read this number from this side और this side it will be the same. तो आप क्या करोगे? उस number को reverse करोगे check करोगे if the original number and the reverse number is palindrome or not. And that is something that you will do for each and every number. आप सारे numbers के लिए check करोगे. अगर किसी भी point पे एक number ऐसा मिलता है जो palindromic नहीं होता है, then you have to return 0. Otherwise you have to return 1. Okay, so let's see few more things. Let me first guys explain the problem and how to approach the solution. Then I will take your questions, your doubts. Okay, so here you can see constraints दे रखे हैं कुछ and yeah, that's it. हमें कुछ constraints दे रखे हैं and हमें explanation दे रखा है that for the first test case, A of 0 is 1 1, which is palindrome number. A of 1 is also palindrome number. A of 2 is also palindrome number. A of 3 is also palindrome number. A of 4 is also palindrome number. So all the numbers are palindrome. So that is why we will return 1. Okay. So let's start doing things over here. And like before, let me just see, ma'am, how I can check my rank for previous tournament. So as far as I remember, for the previous tournament, what happened was people had okay I guess people had this thing or like this okay, let me check. Wait, I think what happened was people just checked how to like I don't like properly, like I haven't given the test, but I as far as I remember for each and every section बच्चों के ranks आए थे. I guess as far as I remember, I think people got the, like after doing all of this, there was a list of like what all are the basically what all are the marks for each and every student and all of that, as far as I remember. So that is what happened. Yeah, I guess okay, let me just see. So as Mohit is saying that there is a contest details. Okay, contest details, check out the contest details. And I guess okay, okay guys, I will maybe like just go through the website and will let you know for that. Okay, cool. Okay, so as Mohit is saying that when you will go in instruction like contest details, there you will get your rank and scored marks. Okay, so I haven't given the contest, so I don't know. But as Mohit is saying, so I'm going according to his what he is saying. So he's saying that आप यहाँ पे जाओ basically in the contest, and here you have this option, this contest over, check out the contest details here. So here you get your scores and your rank also. Okay, so that's how you can get the your marks. And yeah, so this is only for those who have participated. Obviously I haven't participated, so that's why I'm not getting the scores and ranks. If you have participated, you will get over there. So now let's start with this. So our first task is, so you guys can continue doing this thing whatever I'm telling in the language that you prefer. So first step हमारा क्या होगा, what I do is I just break the thing into steps. First step is iterate over array. Iterate over array. So we iterate over array with the help of for loop. Second step will be for each number, check if it is palindrome or not. Okay, so these are our steps. Okay, so let's start doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate over array. So for iterating I'll be using a for loop. So for int I equals 0. Okay, I is less than n. N is basically size, and I plus plus. Okay, so inside this, for each and every element I'm going to check if it is an array, if it is an palindromic number or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to have an answer like int answer. And initially let's assume that this like it we have a palindromic array or not. You can give any value to this. Okay, as we are going to check each and every element, हम answer की value update करते रहेंगे. Now here for each and every element, what you have to do is you have to check if that is a palindrome number or not. So what you are going to do is you're going to have another okay, you're going to have another variable over here, int num equal to arr a of 0. आप a of 0 की वैल्यू स्टोर करा दोगे नम में. वाई? बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू रिवर्स a of 0, या फिर आप नम को रिवर्स करके फिर आप चेक भी करोगे. आपके पास एक कॉपी होनी चाहिए जिसको आप रिवर्स कर सको, सो दैट लेटर ऑन यू कैन चेक. ओके, सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज हियर, सो यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ व्हाइल लूप. ओके, हम अपने नम को यूज करके while num is greater than 0. सो अब हम while loop की हेल्प से इस नंबर को चेक करेंगे if this is a palindrome number or not. Okay, so while num is equals to 0. Okay, and we are going to have another thing that is reverse. Okay, so I guess we don't need a num equal to. Okay, let's just do one thing. Yeah, wait. ओके, दिस इज डन. हम एक रिवर्स करके भी वेरिएबल बनाएंगे, इंट रिवर्स इक्वल टू 0, जिसमें हम रिवर्स स्टोर कर सकेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू वन थिंग. हम डी बनाएंगे, एक इंट डी. ओके, और या फिर हम ऐसा करते हैं कि हम अपनी डिजिट्स जो हैं रिवर्स में ऐड करते चले जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो रिवर्स में डिजिट्स ऐड करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको बेसिकली उस नंबर को मतलब उस नंबर को वो करते जाना है. Okay, so like before telling you this, I would want you guys to tell me if you guys know how to check if a number is palindrome or not. I have already taught that, but I'm just asking. Just asking you a thing. I'm going to put everything over here. I hope that everyone knows how to check if a number is palindrome or not. So I'm making few variables which I'll be needing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do reverse is equals to हम पहले digit निकालेंगे, last digit. For getting last digit, what I have to do is num modulus 10. num modulus 10 करके मैं last digit निकालूंगी. ओके, and reverse के लिए ओके इसको हम डिजिट में स्टोर कर दें। मैं पहले शॉर्ट में लिख रही थी बट अब मैं लॉन्ग करके लिखती हूँ कोड। ओके, देन व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज रिवर्स को मैं क्रिएट करूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिजिट। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज डी इंटू, हमें ओके हमें इसमें ऐड करते जाना है। रिवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू रिवर्स प्लस इक्वल्स टू डी इंटू, एंड हम 10 की पावर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिजिट। अगर किसी को यहाँ डाउट हो तो प्लीज़ मुझसे पूछ लेना। मैथ डॉट पावर 10 comma count, like why I have done this. If anyone has doubt you guys can ask. And then last stage में हम num को change कर देंगे, num equal to num divide by 10. Okay, and also we are going to do count plus plus. Okay, now see what I'm doing is कि हर नंबर की मैं लास्ट डिजिट निकाल रही हूँ, ठीक है। देन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक put it at the right place. So for example let me tell you, if I am talking about 111, so हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इसको निकाल रहे हैं एंड इसको पहले रेव में 0 था अब 1 आ गया, राइट। नाउ व्हेन वी विल कम ऑन सेकेंड लाइक जब हमारा नंबर 11 हो जाएगा तो काउंट की वैल्यू भी 1 हो जाएगी। सो बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, इस केस में भी हमारा डी में 1 स्टोर होगा एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज rev is equals to d into met dot power. Okay, d into met dot power. Basically, sorry, I did a little bit mistake over here. So let me just. So yes, just give me a second. What I'm going to do is either d ये d rev is equals to rev into plus d. हाँ, हम हमेशा रेव में बेसिकली रेव को वो करते जाएंगे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इट ओवर हियर। ओके ओके कूल। I would request you guys to please not talk over here. Like you guys are chatting over here instead of studying. So don't do that, guys, please. Okay. Cool. So yeah, let's just see, and once this is done उसके बाद हम check करेंगे if rev and number is equal or not. If our rev equals to a of 0, then in this case our answer is equals to 1, else our answer equal to 0, and also we have to break over here because अगर किसी भी point पे मेरा array palindromic नहीं है तो हम उसको आगे continue नहीं करेंगे, and we are going to get out of this for loop and we are going to print our answer. Okay, so system dot out dot print ln and answer. Okay, okay, we are going to just run and check if it is like okay or not. Okay, we have to not print this, we have to return it. Whenever we have a return type as an access specifier, so whenever we have a return type over here, so we have to return the answer instead of printing it. As you can see, we are getting the output. Let's just submit the code and let's see if we are getting the output or not. Okay, so सारे test cases pass हो रहे हैं. Okay, so yeah, let's just go to the next question, and let's start doing like working with that. Okay, cool. So the next question over here is C++ functions. So here we are going to see functions. So basically we have a function, and what is a function? Function is basically a set of instructions that do some work, and if you want to like do that work, we can do it again. Basically again and again same work करने के लिए, and इसमें we have a constraint that the language is C++ only. So what we have to do over here is that we have a function calc sum, and here we are going to like sum three numbers and we just want to return this. So it is very simple, बस आपको return करना है तीनों number का sum. Okay, so you just have to write a return statement, and in the bracket what you can do is a plus b plus c, and once this is done you can just run it and you can check if it is okay or not. Okay, so let's just submit it. And just it's taking some time. Okay, so you can see we have submitted like all the uh, like problem solved successfully. We have successfully submitted it, and yeah, so basically that was the second question for today's class. Now I would request you students to please go through all the questions. Please check, like please do, basically please do this thing, like please keep on checking the things, like please keep on practicing this, please keep on doing some questions again and again daily. Okay, and for all the students who are like who are from Python like background and want to learn Python, I would request you guys to please go and check the other playlist, that is like the playlist that we have on Geeks for Geeks School channel, so that you can think, like you can learn things in that in Python channel, Python language also. Okay, and also I would say that for the questions like this, replace all zeros with fives or multiply matrices, these are the topics that I have already taught you in the last, like in the last by before the last by wizard coding tournament. So please go and watch all those videos also, that will help you in understanding like the problems that I'm not teaching. For example, replace all zeros with five, or multiply matrices, or second largest element. All of this is already been covered, and you can go and watch the previous videos to understand this thing. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Please, I would request you all to please go and register yourself for the by wizard coding tournament 2.0. The link will be in the description box, and you can get like a really good goodies and rewards to win. Okay, and also just go and check out the school guide. For now it is just free of cost, and please register yourself for this, and you might like be able to learn a lot of things in future. Okay, yeah, so from that's it from my side for today's class. If you guys have any doubt, any problem, just quickly ask, otherwise I'll just end the class. So if you guys have any doubt, any question, please ask, otherwise I'll just end the class. Any doubt, students, to please ask if you guys have any doubt. um yeah, what are the constraints? Constraints are basically naive constraints are basically ओके, नैतिक बेसिकली कंस्ट्रेंट्स आर कि जब आप हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हो, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट्स आप ये डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि क्वेश्चन की मैक्सिमम टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या होगी. सी, व्हेन यू सॉल्व अ क्वेश्चन देयर आर मल्टीपल अप्रोचेस टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. यू कैन गो विद द ब्रूट फोर्स अप्रोच which takes a lot of time. You can also go with any other approach which is more optimized. So if you will go with a more optimized approach which will take less time, and optimized approach maybe there are levels. You can a solution, कुछ solutions ऐसे होते हैं जो O of n cube time complexity में भी होते हैं, O of n square में भी हो जाते हैं, O of n log in में भी हो जाते हैं, then उसके बाद O of n में भी हो जाते हैं. So while thinking about the solution, constraints will help you to decide कि आपकी maximum time complexity क्या हो सकती है for a certain question. G Mustafa, you are asking what's the difference between basic and school problems. So basic problems थोड़ी school level से difficult problems हैं, and school level problems बहुत basic हैं, like बहुत ज़्यादा like low level हैं, like low level might be low level for some students. So basically वो बहुत easy हैं, इस वजह से उनमें कोई points नहीं है, geek bits नहीं है for you to earn. देन उसके बाद जब आप स्कूल लेवल से ऊपर के जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स देखोगे सब में कुछ ना कुछ सर्टेन points होंगे, certain geek bits होंगे which you can earn and you can just do like get rewards. Okay. नैतिक अपने geek bits check करने के लिए I guess what you can do is my courses leaderboard. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to share the link in the description box. So from there, you can check your geek bits also. Cool. So I will share the link for that in the description box, and you can just go and check that. Okay. Cool. So yeah, I guess that's it from my side, and I hope that you guys have learned things and understood things. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, everyone. What will be there in school ambassador program, Mohit? We have a school ambassador program, and we do have few videos on Geeks for Geeks school channel which tells you about what school ambassador program is. There's also the link for that in the description box. You can just go and click on the link, and there will be a few things that will be written over here. When you will read that, you will easily understand that what is the school ambassador program. Basically, we provide the school ambassadors with some extra resources, extra things from our side so that they can learn more things and increase their knowledge and learn more skills and develop more things. Okay, we do have here and there a few webinars with them, and we do have a lot of competitions with them. We do have a lot of like interaction, a lot of things like we do with school ambassadors. What are school guide batch? School guide is basically a free guide for all of you to, you guys can just register on that, and you guys can learn from there. Okay, like according to your class section, you guys can just go in any domain, and you guys can just learn from there. It's just like a free course for you guys. Okay. Is there any reward? School ambassadors do get a lot of benefits and rewards here and there. So yes, we do give them for like something. For some of the other things, we do give them a lot of rewards. Yes. Link for what? Link for school guide is in the uh, link for school guide is on the tournament page only. Link for the tournament is in the description box. Link for the school ambassador program is also in the description box. But if you are the top performer in by Wizard, then Geeks for Geeks team will automatically approach you for school ambassador program. Okay. Example are a lot of smart bands, lot of goodies, lots of things. We do give them goodies, smart bands. We do give them resources for their knowledge, for increasing their knowledge and all of that. Netik, that I'll attach in the next class. Okay, that next class video. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my